and I am in actually this bar. I've never been to Bristol before. So I'm going to do a little bit of a mukbang here. But I have got a card on tap. And you can give your credit card in and then just go crazy with it. So I got a little taste of the wine, white wine, red wine, and we got some olive and bread. It's absolutely lush. Oh yeah, but the best is this. The size of that. That's going straight in. Very good friend. And got a chili. And I think, oh wow, burn my mouth out. If I pass out and die, you know why. Oh yeah. No, whoa. Oh. And that one. Oh yeah. Didn't expect that, did they, huh? Oh yeah. That's the American red wine. It's supposed to taste absolutely gorgeous. I've eaten Scarlet all the time. Oh my god. As well, I've eaten it all. The next video will be dessert. It's so hot, it's unbelievable. You can hear laughing. That's my husband. Who is going to be doing the strawberries and chocolate tomorrow with me on a mukbang. And looking at the cabbage tonight. Hello guys, how you doing? Remember to subscribe, like and press the bell. This is my mukbang and it's getting better. I am in Cabot Circus at the moment and we're in Slim Chickens. See? And this is what I got. This is a 10-pounder. Garlic bread, and then you can choose your dips. You can choose your dips. I got bunch, and I got cheese and ketchup. Look at this chicken. How hot is that? Oh yeah. That's like sex. Oh yeah. I know they say it's slim chickens. There's nothing slim going on about this basket right here. Chips are pretty good. I know you see me eating all this fattening and stuff. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sammy Sea Lion. And today we've got a good mukbang for you. I've got a cup of tea, a cup of cha, and we've got the famous bang tea. It's going to be dipped into the tea. You don't see a lot of them on a YouTube channel. There he is. And we've got some nice big fat strawberries, like those babies. And then we've got a nice jam donut. So we're going to take out of his cover. All the way from Lidl's. There he is. Make sure a big chunk of him now, actually. See it? There you go. Oh yeah. It's different sugar. Not like your normal sugar on there. It's powdery, but it's nice. Look at the size of that. I was going to have chocolate dipped on it, or cream. There we go. They're juicy. Don't mind that. This is the bit we want first. In school, I dropped one on the floor and I nearly cried. So anyone from watching from Abbotsford will know that this baby I cried over and he fell over the principal. There we go. Dip it in. Let the chocolate melt. Suckle off. A lot of people like dipping chocolate in tea, but I like dipping the bounty in. British chocolate is the best. Especially these bad boys. Bit of green. So this is the sin of the week. It's the chocolate. So on Slim as well, 14 cents. People have them. If you have to have 25 sins a day, that's often gone nearly. So don't have them. And Slim as well. Might do some Slim as well meals for you guys. Can't have fattening food all the time. But that's the best food. It's the ones that give you a sex face. Like this. Chocolate melting. Maybe you can use subtitles for you guys all around the world. If you're watching me now. Glasses of steam up, guys. From the tea. Pure British Tatleys. Tatley tea. You know what we like? A cup of tea and chocolate bars. Go for them again. That's one juicy strawberry. Let's try this one whole, shall we? I will try with them dipped in chocolate next time, guys. But it wouldn't melt in the microwave. Cadbury's won't anyway. Right. How good is that? Just eat this stuff all day, every day. This with steak. Best food in the world. But guys, gotta go vegetarian soon. I love the cow so much. I have to give up meat. I don't know if I can give up this though. I have to limit it. Well, a lot of jam in that. That good control. Just the tea left there, guys. Just remember to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you can see more of my videos coming out. And nice cooking as well. See you guys.